Hello and welcome to Disney Travel Secrets, the video series, episode number 2. Rob here, your host, and we are here for my birthday. I'm wearing my birthday shirt. We first started this concept exactly a year ago, where we took the birthday buttons, which if you've been to Disney, they have all types of celebration buttons. Happy anniversary, I just got married, I'm celebrating something, and one of the most popular is the happy birthday button. We decided to turn it into a shirt. And if you want to check out more shirt options like this, go to mydistee.com. That's mydistee.com. So we're starting today. This is my birthday, January 17th, 2018, and my wife Kerri, who is behind the camera, we're about to head from our resort here at Disney's Pop Century Resort, our favorite value resort. If you want a great deal at a Disney resort, look no further than Disney's Pop Century. It's considered a value resort. So now we're armed with our Magic Band, and before we hit the parks, let's check out Pop Century.
At this resort, you can stay in the 50s, the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, or the 90s. There are 3 awesome pools. All with some fun theming based on the decade where they're located. There's one main food court area with a variety of food options. My pro tip when staying there is to take some time and walk around the resort and take in all the details and the theming. I mean, check out the giant laptop in the 90s. And one of my favorites, the Rubik's Cubes in the 80s. Take a short walk to Disney's Art of Animation and catch up on some fun facts from the decades along the way.
It's got a queen-size bed, but this table is also a great workstation, and it folds down into a bed as well. Watch what happens. Move this chair off to the side, and watch what happens when I hold this handle. Okay guys, tell me, how cool is that? And are you going to ask for the new refurbished rooms on your next trip to Pop Century?
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our 360 video of the new refurbished room.